Hey guys, so we have a garage door that won't close. It goes down a little and then stops. Kind of, like barely moves. Okay. Now, usually when this happens, there may be a few things going on. The first thing would be to check the sensors if there is some dust or cobwebs that is not allowing the signal to pass through. So there's one sensor over here, the other side has a sensor. So first we are going to clean the receiver head and the surrounding areas. Okay, so here I'm going to use this microfiber cloth. You clean the lens in the front. You can also use a lens cleaning solution, but like this just works fine. Make sure there are no cobwebs around the space here. Okay, we'll do the same on the other side. Okay. Okay. So now let's give it a try and see if that helps. Okay, so I'm going to give it a try now. Okay, same situation. So it wasn't the dust or the cobweb. Now, if you're ever stuck in this situation and you need to close your garage door, there is a neat trick, pretty simple. You press and hold the door and press and hold the switch, and then the door will close. Okay, so that is a lifesaver. That way you're not stuck, you can close, get out of the other door. Okay, so now we are going to check if the sensor is aligned properly. It's got some rain going on here. Okay, so we bring our hand in front of the sensor here. Okay, and in this one you see the solid green light. When I bring the hand in front of it, it doesn't change. So this is the sensor that is getting the power. Okay, let's check the other one. We expect a solid green on the other one. Okay, what's going on here? Okay, so this one has a flickering light, very dim, and this light does turn off when I bring my hand. So this is the receiving one. That's the thing, but it's not getting the signal properly. So there is this fly bolt, what do you call that, that could come off, like loose, or like something might have bumped into it and alignment was changed. So you can loosen it. It probably is already loose, so I'm going to, so you see there, that's better. So I'm going to tighten it. So I'm going to tighten it. Okay, so that looks better. Make sure it's well done, tight. Okay, and that looks better, solid. Is it solid? Yeah, that looks solid to me. Okay, let's give it a try again. Okay, well, that did the trick here. Okay, perfect. So yeah, I mean, in this case, the misalignment that that happens. Like sometimes I've run into cobwebs. This time it wasn't that. Now if this alignment issue also doesn't address it, you could have a bad sensor. Also sometimes if there are things shining from outside, that causes a problem as well. In that case, you can try to put a cardboard right here and see if that helps. So I hope this stays good, and hopefully this video helped you guys a bit. Give a like if you like the video, and have a good one. It's quite a rain here. Looks like the gutter is blocked. Okay, we'll have to clean that after the rain. Okay, bye guys.